Whey protein is as well known of a supplement as there is. While many supplements are not worth your time and money, I will help you understand the crucial role protein plays in your body. Whey protein is widely recognized as a high-quality protein and is well absorbed in your body. It is known for its muscle-preserving benefits, as well as being beneficial in helping people gain muscle in combination with a resistance weight training routine. It can help to limit muscle loss if you keep protein intake high when cutting calories to lose weight. It can also help us to maintain muscle as we age. In this video, I will describe how whey protein helps you to gain and preserve muscle, as well as describe the benefits of how it works to help you recover as part of your fitness journey. Simply put, whey protein is made up of these building blocks called branched chain amino acids. These branched chains are available in whey protein and help you to build and repair your muscles with a little bit of direct fuel to get into your bloodstream quickly. After a workout, your muscles are broken down and need to recover. As you're working out, you're actually tearing down your muscle fibers. Whey protein speeds up and improves muscle repair and recovery. Specifically, the muscle fibers are experiencing little tiny tears as you work out. This is why you feel sore afterwards. This is where whey protein can be very beneficial in the recovery process. Only a few supplements to your diet have direct research showing increased muscle mass. One of these is, yes, whey protein. It is so effective in building muscle due to these branched chain amino acids that make them up, which are available and used in protein synthesis. Part of whey protein is leucine in high concentration, which encourages muscle growth, repair, and even regeneration. Leucine is one of the essential amino acids crucial to cellular processes and protein synthesis. It is one of these three essential BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids, that helps encourage muscle protein synthesis. It is the most proteinogenic, which means it is most available to encourage muscle protein synthesis. This helps your body in a process which happens when you repair your muscles after they're damaged from an intense workout or strain. Please subscribe and turn on notifications if you feel like you've gotten value. It helps us out so much. Now, where does whey protein come from? Other than the bottle container we see or custom buying at the store, how does it get there? In all seriousness, whey protein comes from and is found in dairy products. Whey is going to be the water-soluble part of milk. To get the whey or protein we are accustomed to, it is separated from the curd part or the casein. It is a byproduct of cheese and can be separated in this process to make a powder. There are three types of whey: whey isolate, whey concentrate, and hydrolysate. They absorb at different rates into the body and have different bioavailability. For purpose of this video, we will just describe whey overall as one. Now, how much protein should you eat daily? The recommended daily amount for protein is 0.8 grams per pound of body weight for the average person. Those who are strength training and looking to gain muscle need more in the range of 1 to 1.2 grams per pound of body weight. Personally, as a 200-pound man, I aim for about 200 grams of protein a day to maintain muscle and help with soreness and recovery. This helps to keep me full, and I've noticed less shakiness when I'm lifting, when I maintain this ratio of protein to body weight. Now, do you find yourself feeling hungry throughout the day, loading up on snacks or junk food? Instead, try loading up on some whey protein. Try having a couple more shakes. It'll help you feel more full. Feeling satiated is how you feel after you have a big meal and are all filled up. You don't have a desire to eat more. If you're no longer hungry or experiencing cravings, you are less likely to overeat or eat things that are not as healthy. Not all foods are created equal and have different levels of satiety. Of the macronutrients, fats, carbs, and protein is by far the most satiating. In addition, studies have shown that whey protein is more filling than casein or soy proteins. This can be an awesome way to eat a little less calories without too many hunger pains. By eating plenty of protein, it can suppress the appetite for other things, help your metabolism to burn more calories, and maintain muscle mass even when you're trying to lose other weight. Whey protein can help you feeling full and recovered without overeating. Sounds like a great win-win, in addition to those looking to lose weight and keep hard-earned muscle at the same time. Whey protein has many different types, but all forms tend to be on the higher end of quality as far as supplements go. It is important if you need extra protein in your diet due to weightlifting and activity. I would also always recommend real food sources such as lean meats, which are high in protein. However, I know these are not readily available at all times with a busy schedule, so this is where protein powder or pre-made shakes come into play. It is helpful to take after your workouts to repair your body, leading to more muscle and strength, as well as recovery. Many athletes and fitness fanatics alike claim enhanced recovery when using protein consistently. According to a 2010 study, whey is able to resist coagulation in the stomach and is able to move on to the intestines relatively quickly. This makes it a great choice to digest quickly. It is quick in comparison to some other proteins as well as the slower digesting casein. The leucine component in whey spikes in the blood 40 to 60 minutes after you eat it. This is much quicker than some of these other proteins such as chicken, eggs, and turkey and tuna. It's a positive in that whey protein is quickly able to get into your body and speed up the muscle protein synthesis process. Whey protein also helps by lowering fats in the blood. Specifically, high cholesterol, specifically from LDL, or what is viewed as bad cholesterol, is a big risk factor or precursor for heart health and heart disease. There was one study done of overweight participants who were supplemented with whey protein. They saw a significant decrease in LDL cholesterol. Although it's just one study, my belief is that with the right dose of whey protein and with more research, we could potentially reduce blood cholesterol as well as help with preventative heart risk. To add to this, hypertension or high blood pressure is a precursor to heart disease, which is the leading cause of death worldwide. Many studies have found that dairy products, such as whey, may help lower blood pressure. They include naturally occurring chemicals and may lower overall blood pressure. This has been found due to what are called ACE inhibitors, which are bioactive peptides found in dairy products. These inhibitors are called lactokinins, which have been shown to lower blood pressure in people that have hypertension. There have been many animal studies showing their positive effect on blood pressure. In addition, one promising human study found that with over 54 grams of whey protein a day in those who are overweight, systolic blood pressure dropped 4% over 12 weeks. This is some promising beginning research to look more into. To add to this, as most people know, diabetes is a disease with people having high blood sugar as well as issues with insulin function. Insulin, which is a hormone in your body, has the goal of stimulating blood sugar in your cells and trying to keep it in a healthy range. The good news is some studies as recently as 2012 have shown that whey protein can help to moderate blood sugar as well as increase sensitivity to insulin. In addition, in comparison to egg or fish protein, whey is a superior source in helping to regulate this interaction in your body. A 2009 study on PubMed even found that it was equally as effective as one diabetes medication. Overall, it appears that whey protein can be effective as a supplement in helping to prevent type 2 diabetes, at least to some degree. In addition, inflammation is what happens in your body when damage is inflicted upon it. It's some source of trauma. While short-term and fleeting, inflammation is not bad in terms of something that can come and go. It's chronic inflammation that can be damaging to your body. There was a large meta-analysis from 2015 that found when over 20 grams of whey protein were consumed a day, it helped to reduce C-reactive protein, or CRP, which is known for being a main marker of overall inflammation in your body. There are just a couple downsides to consuming whey protein in combination with a healthy diet and resistance training plan. Some people may experience bloating, diarrhea, or gastrointestinal distress. Whey does contain the milk sugar known as lactose, so those with lactose intolerance or issues might want to try isolate or be careful. No serious side effects are seen in most people. If anything, personally, I have just experienced a bit of an upset stomach with some brands. Not to single one out, but Walmart was not a good experience. I'm not a doctor or dietitian, but these are my findings and current research, so a combination of everything together. In summary, whey protein is a well-recognized, safe, and effective supplement to add to those who do not get enough protein through their diet or who are regular working out and need more. It is a high-quality protein that is absorbed quickly and starts repairing your muscles. It is effective in helping you maintain muscle and promote protein synthesis. In addition, it will help you feel full when cutting calories to lose weight. There are numerous other health benefits such as helping with blood fats, blood pressure, diabetes, and inflammation, to name a few. I think that of all the supplements one could take, this might be the most beneficial, best bang for your buck in terms of preserving muscle and keeping you healthy. Please turn on notifications and subscribe so we can continue to bring practical fitness advice to everyday people.